Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get 5 stars bird watching info cards in Heartopia. So, in order to get that, you are going to have to be level 6 of the bird watching hobby because you'll need to get the camouflage bush. It basically will allow you to get closer to birds without them flying away, and you do need that to achieve the perfect photo for a 5 stars bird info card, basically. So you're going to then purchase that um, at Bailey's. So it only works if it's raining, snowing, or if there's a rainbow weather. It's only going to show when it's that specific weather. Then I'm just going to start the bird watching event. You can just do it without the event, but I'm just showing you guys you can do it through the event. Anyways, just fix your tools here before you start. I'm just doing that right now. Then you're going to take out your auto bird whistle first, and you're going to use it because once you're in the bush, you cannot access your backpack anymore. Um, Once you're done with that, you're going to access the camouflage bush. And here is the action that you need to take a picture of, which is the stretching wings action. And you'll need to be super close. So here it is in a minute. This is what it looks like. And as you can see, I finally got 5 stars, the stretch wings, and the perfect photo. And yes, in order to get the perfect photo, you'll need to be in this bush, or else the birds won't either do the action or it will fly away. Here's another example on a flamingo. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!